GCSE addition. Pause to see the question on the screen and have a go first. So we're doing the paper from Autumn 19, Paper 3, question 24, and it's vectors. Please appreciate how long it takes to draw this sort of stuff. So we are given OX is A, that underlined them. In questions, they'll be bold. When you're handwriting, vectors need to be underlined. We've got a couple of ratios. So OP is 1 part to OX is 2. Now, even before doing anything else, I'm going to get my red pen, and I know that OP, I'll write it here, is a third of OX. Because this is 1 part and this is 2, meaning there's 3 parts in this line, and that's 1/3 of it, that's 2/3 of it. So the fact I've got 1/3 down, I don't want to write 2/3. And same again here. I know that OR is, this time this is 4 parts, so is a quarter of OY. So that's 1/4, that's 3/4. And I'm also going to label the diagram. So this is A, this is B. It also tells you that ZY is also A because it's a parallelogram. Sorry, I think I forgot to mention that. So this is the same, this is the same, these are the same. We want to find ZP to ZR. So the first thing I'm going to do is write both of these in vector form as a path. So I always like to think about this as trying to give some directions. So we want to get to Z to R with information we have. So we know Z to Y. So we go from Z to Y and then Y to R. And I will divide this in half like that. And then Z to P. Well, you don't know Z to O. We could probably find it, but instead we will just go Z to Y, Y to O, O to P. Now, this is important. No matter how good at maths you are, this clearly reminds you the direction you're going in and what your next steps will be. So we're going to start here. ZY we know is A. YR, or this is YR. We are given OY. We're given this is B, meaning this is minus B. So I'm going to stick minus B here. But like I said to you earlier, if OR is 1/4, that means RY is 3/4. So that gives you A minus 3/4 B. Perfect. And now the same on the right. So ZY, A, nice and easy. YO is minus B. And then OP. OP is 1/3 of A. So that gives us 4/3 A minus